So U.S. Steel X had earnings tonight. Looks like it had a really good earnings. I see one article and I can't access it because it's a partner. I'm not sure who it's by, but saying U.S. Steel forges all-time best Q1 net earnings, foresees best ever in Q2, and that's because of supply and demand issues, things going on in Ukraine. I was asked about this. We have a member, a Facebook and Discord member who held shares and was curious about where I thought it might go, so I thought I would do a video and talk about, because we're going to be watching this tomorrow at open, so to try to inform her of where I think it may go and maybe help some of us trade this tomorrow morning. So we have levels here that get respected and have been called several times, get reactions at. As you can see, we go back to the 5-minute chart. This mark and this line that I drew this line, so it runs into tomorrow, some of tomorrow. Let's go down to the 1. No, let's go to 15. So this is today's high right here that I'm drawing. Hopefully we don't pull no farther back than this. And it may not even come down to this. The phone call is at 8:30 tomorrow morning, so we should see a reaction around 8:30, good or bad. They release guidance. Everything sounds really good. That's why I wanted to do a video for everybody. So let's go out to the 4-hour. No specific reason, just want to be able to see all the numbers. So as you can see, our first level here, 34.77. Like I say, if we pull back, we're holding this 50 out here now for support. If we do pull back, I'm hoping to not pull any farther back than yesterday's high, or even possibly pre-market in this area. That's where I would like to hold if we do pull back at all. Could be some profit taken in the morning and then push back up. But my first price target would be 34.77. You can see right here we've had a gap right there. So we come and filled the gap right here. As always, when you fill the gap, 81% of stocks, when they fill the gap, automatically see a reaction. And if you go back down to your 5, that's what's happened here. So we pushed up, filled the gap, seeing a reaction. Could possibly come back and retest this area. Let's get the VWAP on. And there we go. So VWAP's clean down here. Just about the same area, so we could come back and touch any of this in pre-market levels. Let's go back to see our first level. We could push up to would be 34.77 is major resistance. We filled this gap. Can expect to push up to this area. If we can take that out, I would say 35.84. If you go out to your daily, we're already above the 50 here. But if, according to your daily chart, we have the 9 MA at 34.26. So I would watch for 34.26. If we can take that out, look to continue to push up. If we take 34.76 out, look for 35.84. Then we could run up to I would say 37, right about 37. I'm going to go ahead and draw that line in right now. I'll say right about 37, then 38.55. If we can take that out, all-time highs, not all-time high. 52-week high is 39.25. So if we're able to take them levels out, one at a time, look for your 9 on your daily. Of course, your 20. Let's go back to the 4. So you want to watch your 9 Your 20, watch for, I forgot what the numbers are now. Your 9 and your 20, of course, on your daily. Watch for 34.77. If we can take those out, 35.84. We can take that out. Look for 36.99, 37-ish. After that, it would be 38.55. We take 38.55 out. Look for to retest all-time highs. I hope this helps.